At least she gets that turn over with. He's so cute. Look at his trot.
I know. He's very handsome.
Yeah.
It's a nice jumper, too.
Are we going to do that big one?
Look at him looking at that. He's like, can we do that one?
Yeah. He said I can do that.
How about this big one, Mom?
Oh, they're cute. I haven't really seen them go.
Me neither, because I always look through this little tiny camera screen.
Ooh. Oh, good girl.
Oh, she did it with lots of room
Not
to spare.
yet. There you go.
Nice.
And she lost her stirrup. Get your stirrup. Get your stirrup.
She doesn't have it yet?
No. Oh,
Does she have it yet?
I don't know. It's on the other side. She got it? Yeah, she has it.
Thank goodness.
Ooh, oh my god.
She's gonna win.
Where do you?
That is
Look
the
at the
fastest
time.
time
Look
I've
at the
seen.
Yeah, there you go. You always want to get the end.
Can't tell if I got it.
Yay!